of change of lawyers. We have documents to that effect where we have actually filed in the Isiolo Magistrates Court a notice of change of advocates. And we've done that. We have receipts. It was received on 18th of August. We have receipts here, which is the payments that were made when we were filing this notice of change of advocates. But today the judge ruled that we had not notified the court. Now, even a kangaroo court does not do that. We think there was foul play. We suspect the judge may have been compromised, and we are going to go in the next 7 days. We will move to High Court.
Tunataka haki itendeke. Hapo awali tumepeleka tuliambiwa tufanye evaluation of this land. That was 4 years ago. Tumevalue, kesi ikapelekwa High Court Meru. Baada ya sisi nakaa kwa wiki mbili, vile imerudi hapa lower court, hata sisi tujui.
Shamba evaluation ilitokea 41 million evaluation. Kama evaluation imefika kiwango hiyo, anasemekana hii court, low court, hawezi sikiza ile borojo dhamana yake ikibita 6 million afai kusikiza. Nende High Court. Tumepeleka High Court, tumerusha sisi hapa. Hatujaridhika ya kwanza. Ya pili, court imerule. Wakati imerule borojo aligawa mara mbili. Kota alipatia KANU, 100 alipatia Ali Abdullah Ahmad. Borojo ni half a quarter acre. 100 by 20 by 120. Hatujaridhika.
Well, on that note, we are taking our first short break here on Weekend at 1 with me, Abubakar Abdullahi. Don't go too far. We still have a lot lined up for you. We'll be back after this break.